away from such person, because if those red flags are going to be there, whatever characters you have been expecting, even though if those characters are going to be there with that person still cannot be your dream person, because your dream person will not have any of those red flags. Okay, so now you get a clarity about who is your dream man, all those things, because you have listed it down. The third thing is your passion. You want to convert your passion into career, so you have to learn what are all your passions from childhood days. What are all things have I been so much motivated and interested into? What are all the things I have spent so much of time sitting and thinking about, and sitting and reading an article, or sitting and being so much interested in it, I didn't even know how much time went on. What are the things like that you have been involved in too? So write all those things and find out what your passion is. And to make your passion into career, you need financial sources, isn't it? So to make up the financial sources, you need to know about manifestations. You need to know about what is natural manifestation, what is artificial manifestation, and you need definitely a job to gain and gather that money, because you can't keep going and asking anybody for money. Whomever gives money will ask you about the entire details, no? Like, for what you want, what are you going to do, what if you can't repay, what if the repayment gets delayed, what if your business does not picks up, everything they'll ask. So you need to have if you want to live your life with freedom and fulfillment, you have to have your own money, isn't it?